Welcome to day 5 of our May challenge. You didn't wake up sore, but something still feels disconnected. Your breath is shallow and your body's here, but your mind still catching up. Today, we rebuild that rhythm, starting from your hips and flowing through your spine. Let's hit the mat. Your hips don't lie. They carry the weight of every chair you sit in, every emotion you avoided, and every step you rushed yesterday. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge and left. Let the back knee rest gently on the mat. Inhale, arms float overhead. Exhale, bring arms down or add a gentle twist. Keep moving with breath, slow and intentional. You're going to feel a release through the left hip flexor, chest lifting. Releasing tension here improves posture, digestion, and even emotional clarity. Yes, your hips are that powerful. The next side always reveals what you've been holding on to. Don't skip it. Sink 1 inch deeper, but with grace, not force. Are you guiding your body or pushing past it? That just opened the right side. Now let's balance the system. We often lead with the dominant side, but it's the weaker one that tells the real story. This is your reset point. Step your left foot forward, inhale, arms lift. Exhale, hands down or add a twist. Stay fluid and grounded in breath. You're going to feel tension shifting from your right hip, space expanding across your ribs. Balanced hips mean less stress on your knees, better spinal alignment, and a more efficient movement all day. Tight hips don't just limit mobility, they impact your breathing capacity. Chest up, eyes forward. Hold the lift for 5 seconds. Is the side harder? That's not weakness, it's data. That just recalibrated your core. Now let's anchor your base. This move exposes what you've been avoiding: stillness, silence, and depth. And that's why it works. Stand wide, feet just outside the hips, drop into a deep squat, elbows are pressing into knees. Keep the chest lifted and heels grounded. Breathe, sway side to side if needed. You're going to feel your inner thighs, groin, and ankles all opening with breath. The squat improves hip mobility, boosts circulation, and even supports pelvic floor function. Up next, hip compression with emotional clarity. Stay in stillness. Close your eyes, just 5 seconds. Are you sinking into it or trying to escape it? That just grounded your hips. Now let's pull in close. This one doesn't look like much, but it reconnects you to the small muscles we forget and the emotion we often bury. Sit tall, legs extended, bend your right knee and hug it toward your chest. Keep the spine long and rock gently if it helps. You're going to feel a pull in the hip, slight stretch in the glute and lower back. Compression increases circulation, decompresses the lower back, and activates the deep core. These gentle moves actually boost lymphatic flow and prep your nervous system for the day. Hug it tighter without tensing your shoulders. 5 seconds. Is your spine lifting or folding into the stretch? That just reset the right side. Now we complete the loop. You don't skip symmetry. If one side feels tighter, it's not an error. It's an invitation. Extend your right leg, hug the left knee in, sit tall, shoulders relaxed. Let your breath go deeper. You're going to feel a mirrored stretch in the left hip and lower back, more or less tension than the other side. This stabilizes your gait and gently resets pelvic alignment, affecting every step you take today. We end standing, lengthening everything we've unlocked. Press the heel into the floor just a little. Now hold for 5. Are you holding your breath or riding it to the base of your spine? That just centers your hips. Now we stretch the whole chain. This is the exhale. Let gravity undo what stress tried to hold. Stand tall, feet under hips. Inhale, arms reach high. Exhale, fold forward from the hips. Let your head hang, bend knees if needed. Gently sway side to side. You're going to feel a full body release from hamstrings to spine to neck. This calms your nervous system, lengthens your posterior chain, and clears your mental fog. Forward folds activate your parasympathetic nervous system in under 60 seconds. Can you let go of 10% more tension? One more breath. 5 seconds. Are you folding or surrendering? That just completed your reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts. Fam, I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Let's go.